Welcome to 100% of year. Today I am going to show 50 slide on Punjab.
State Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. The language of Punjab is Punjabi. Now we are going to decode the state symbol. The emblem of Punjab consists of the encircled lion capital of Ashoka with wheat stem above it and crossed sword below it. Around the lion capital is written the legend, Government of Punjab, in the English, Hindi and Punjabi languages. Location: latitude 31.48 degree north and longitude 75.92 degree east. Three regions in Punjab: Sikhism, Islam, Hinduism. The state animal of Punjab is Blackbuck. State bird of Punjab is northern goshawk. Punjab's history: Mughal ruler was crowned in Gurdaspur district of Punjab. Its name is the Golden of Throne Punjab. Chief Minister of Punjab is Charan Singh Chani. His party is Indian National Congress. Punjab's Governor Balwarling Purohit. Governor's party is Bharatiya Janata Party. Opposition party of Punjab, Harpal Singh Cheema. His party is Amamidin Party. Important educational institution: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institution of Technology, Daldar, NIT. Indian Institution of Technology, IIT. Indian Institution of Management, Amritsar, IIM. Land of five rivers: Beas, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. Traditional dress: Kurta and Thamat. Music: Chalmukhi. Dance: Bakra. Drink: Lassi. Food: Paratha and chol. Dal Makhni. Tourism place: Bhatinda. Rulers like Mahmud of Ghazni, Muhammad Glory and Prithviraj. Chola was fought wars and ruled the city in the East while era. Tourism border: name Paratkot. It shares international border with the Narwal district of Pakistani Punjab. It also shares border with Kasur district of Jammu and Kashmir and Chab and Khanhar district of Himachal Pradesh. Koshihapur district shares a border with Quetta in eastern Punjab with Himachal Pradesh. Dam: Baknangal Dam. Lay your eyes on beautiful Shivalik hills from this point. Nangal is a perfect one-day gateway from Chandigarh. It is in Rupnagar district of Punjab. Tourism zoo: Chaharbir Zoo, famous for Royal Bengal tigers and famous for lion safari. Thank you for watching this PPT.